Hi everyone, it's Sorkin. Today we have a problem where we are given two inputs, target and the max doubles. Also we have a start which is equals to 1. And we are starting from starting from 1, and at each step what we do, we are either adding 1 to our start or we are doubling that. And the goal is, in our case, is to reach the target. If our start is equals to target, so which means that we have reached the goal, and we need to do that with the minimum steps. So for example, in this case, our max double is equals to 0, so which means that we cannot double our, we cannot double our start. So in that case, we can only add 1, right, at each step. So which means that if we are starting from 1 to reach 5, we need to do 4 steps. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 for each, right? So and so we need to add 4 to our start, so which means that we need to do 4 steps. Let's take another example. Let's say that we have this example 2 where our target is equals to 19 and our max double is equals to 2. So the approach that we are going to use in this case is the greedy algorithm. So what we do is we are starting with we need to start from 1, right? But what we are going to do is we are going to start in reverse. So we are going to start from target 19, and we are going to start from target 19 to reach the start, right? So we are going to do that in reverse. So for example, in this case, what we do is, in our greedy approach, if our target is equals to 19, if our target is odd, then in that case we are going to subtract 1, right? Otherwise, what we are going to do, that we are going to divide that to 2 until we have our max doubles. So for example, in this case, 19 minus 1 is equals to 18, so we have already 1 step, and the 18 is even, right? So we can divide that by 2, so we are dividing that by 2. Now we have 9, right? So now we have 9, and we have performed 1 step. We have divided that by 2, so now we have 9. 9 is also odd, so we are subtracting 1. So I'm subtracting 1, and now we have 3 steps, and 9 minus 1 gives us 8. So 8 is even, so we can divide that by 2. So we are dividing that by 2 gives us 4. So we have performed 1 more step, 4. And now our max doubles, we have already performed 2 max doubles, right? Now our max doubles is equals to 0. So we don't have any more options to use the max doubles. So what we are going to do is we have now 4. So we have now 4. And from 4 to reach 3, we need to perform 3 steps, right? From 4 to reach 1, we need to perform 3 steps. So which means that the 4, we are going to add 3 here, which gives us 7, which we are returning. So in our solution, what we are going to do is we are creating steps that we are going to return. And what we do is, while our target is more than 1 and we have a max double, so what we do is, if it's even, then we are dividing our target to 2, and we are subtracting from max doubles because we have used the max doubles. Or if it's not, then we are subtracting 1, and we are at each step, so we are adding to our steps, right? So once we exit this while loop, so which means that we don't have max doubles, and what we need to do is, for the rest of the targets that we have, as in our case, right, minus 1, because we need to, when we are going reverse, right? We are going from target to 1. So and the 1 minus 1, because 1, we are starting from 1, so we are adding that to our step. So for example, in our case, we have made 4 steps to reach 4, right, in our previous example, and the 4 minus 1, because the target in this case that we want to reach is 1, so 4 minus 1 gives us 3. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, which we are returning. What's the time complexity in this case? The time complexity is the log of target, because in this case, what we need to do is we can perform we can divide that by 2. We can divide that by 2 based on the whatever the target value is, and the space complexity is of 1 because we are not using an extra space. Okay, that's it for today. I also have identical solution in Java. I will include that in the description. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.